Hi there, welcome. Now I'm going to walk through the main Camtasia file types so you are able to differentiate and avoid issues. One of the most common problems I hear from people learning Camtasia is things like my file won't upload or no one can watch my video, and the case is almost always that they try to share the wrong file type. So let's take a look at the different file types and hopefully avoid any confusion. Okay, good. The first one we are going to look at is this one, the TLCPROJ type. I have no idea an easy way to pronounce this. It's the green one I'm talking about, this one. Okay, this is your project file. This is the one to click if you are going to work on a project. It's the director of your project. It holds all the information about all your clips and changes you have made. Without it, everything is just a jumble of clips. Next, this one is the audio file, WAV. You can there are some softwares that can play this, like the Nero Showtime can play it, or you can easily convert this to MP3 with an MP3 converter software. Okay, but generally the Windows media player can play this and some other media player can play this, so you need to convert it, or you use Camtasia to convert it to an MP3. Alright, then next is the red one. They are your screen captures you have created using Camtasia. They are in fact a video file, but not one that you can just send to anyone. You need to have Camtasia to view them. Okay, if you check, this is the green type. You can see the size is just 9.37. that is the project file, while this one is the screen cap, which is more heavy, 14.3 megabyte. Okay, good. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.